Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Canva app not opening on your phone. So this is just a very simple fix guys. So first things first guys, make sure you're updated to the latest version of Canva, because if not then that might be the reason why you are having this problem. So just try and update it, and if this is not working still, you just need to go over and press and hold the app right there until you see the app info. Tap on the app info and make sure you tap on the force stop first. Okay, and once you're done with that, just go over to storage and go over to clear data. So make sure you tap on clear cache first and clear all data. This will reset the app entirely. This will not eliminate your personal accounts or files or anything, so don't worry guys. Once done with that, you just need to go over and go over to data usage here and make sure it is set to no data right there. And after done with that, proceed to opening the Canva app and see if this is working for you guys. So okay guys, those are the ways how you can fix the Canva app not opening. Thank you for watching and goodbye.